Hey guys, so when you arrive in Medellin, the airport is actually outside of Medellin. It's about 45 minutes away. We're in Rio Negro, and that's where the international airport's at. So when you arrive, this is exactly where you will be arriving at. And then it's about 45-minute drive down to Medellin. And I'll be showing you guys the way so that way you guys can see how beautiful it is to actually drive from the airport up here down to Medellin city. Look at this, guys. Look at this view. Hey guys, so when you're heading down into Medellin, make sure they take you to the tunnel, because at the end of the tunnel you see the light. I'm just kidding. You'll see the beautiful mountains of Medellin. Hey guys, so this is what I was talking about, that light at the end of the tunnel. Look at this, with the views of the mountains, and it's so nice and bright out here. We're entering Poblado premises, where it's where most usual tourists and Americans like to stay in. So this is a view from our Airbnb in Medellin, in Poblado, and as you can see, it's very pretty. You can see beautiful mountains, a lot of trees, a lot of nature, and a lot of the high-rise buildings that you can find here in Poblado. Hey guys, so we are in La Comuna 13, and we're gonna take a tour of La Comuna 13. As you can see, this is a very colorful area where they have a lot of artwork, graffiti on the walls. And to start off, the entrance is down that way, and you'll be able to use the escalators to take it all the way up to get all the views that are going to be amazing. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's go for a walk. Hey guys, so we are here in La Comuna 13, where this used to be the most toughest and dangerous neighborhood back in the day, in the 80s and the 90s. And it has completely turned into a big touristic area because of all the architecture that they have and all the artistic graffiti. It all tells a story, as you can see. The view is incredible, as you can see right there. The interesting thing is that when it used to be this place used to be so dangerous back in the day, a lot of people couldn't go out, you know, because it was so dangerous. The crime was terrible with the drugs and everything. But this place has changed so much, and it's just a cultural diversity of Colombia in this art. And here are the escalators that you can take up all the way to the top to view the city. We're gonna take those stairs. We're gonna do kind of like a walking tour so that way you guys can see and know what to expect when coming out here. And by the way, it is perfectly safe to come up here, because they have a lot of tour guides, they have cops everywhere, and this is a very safe area. I know it used to be very dangerous back in the day, but it's super safe now because they did a clean out, what they call out here, una limpieza, where people, the cops, military people, they came and took out all the trash, all the people causing all the problems in the city, and they took them all out, and this became a very safe place. And people decided, instead of leaving it like as an abandoned community, they decided to turn it into this big diversity of art, dancing, a reason for hope, you know? So this is what it has turned into now. Look at all the graffiti, which is an art. It's all artwork. And the cool thing is that if you don't like to walk too much, you don't have to, you know, because you are climbing all the way up to the top of the mountains. You can take these escalators, which you get up here quick. Over here behind me, they're doing a dance. We'll see the dance in a minute, but right now, I just want to show you guys the beautiful view of La Comuna 13, what used to be the most dangerous neighborhood in Medellin city. So that war that I was telling you about, it lasted about a few days for them to clear everybody out. A lot of people died, but it had to be done to clear out this neighborhood from so much crime. And now it's one of the most touristic places to come and visit in Medellin because of all the graffiti artwork that they have. Look at the view, guys. So as you can see, this place gets packed. Even on the weekends, it gets very packed with a lot of tourists coming to see it, because it's kind of like La Favela over there in Brazil. But I mean, I don't know about over there, but right now in this area, it's safe. Like, it's pretty safe. And they have a couple of restaurants. As you're coming up, making your way up, you can stop here and order some of the homemade local ice cream that they have here. They have all kinds of flavors. Okay, here we continue our walking tour. They have a lot of shops with all kinds of souvenirs that you'd like to buy. Let's find out how much the prices are. Hola, ¿cómo está? ¿Cómo a cuánto cuesta cada una de estas cosas? 9,000, that's real cheap. 11,000, so it's reasonable prices. ¿Y las pulseritas?
15.
15? 15.
Yes, 7.
Okay.
5.
¿Y los precios son negociables? See? He said the prices are negotiable, so you guys always, like I told you, negotiate a price. And you can pay a little less than what they tell you. Gracias. ¿Cómo es su nombre? Alejandro, mucho gusto. They have a lot of artwork out here. Everything's very artistic out here. So this went from being the most dangerous neighborhood in the world to the most artistic place, which is why so many people come here, because of all the nice graffiti artwork. I wouldn't even call it graffiti, because I feel like graffiti is like, I don't know, it's ugly stuff. But this is all just like, it's all art, as you guys can see. Look at this. So people just like on the weekends come out here to come and catch the views, enjoy themselves, getting this nice views, eating here. They sell really good food out here. We're actually going to a restaurant out here that was recommended by me. I tried it last year and it was delicious. Let's keep walking. Here, when it gets kind of hot, they got a few of these drinks, cool drinks, homemade lemonade drinks, passion fruit mango. Look, guys, look at all the artwork. This is all an artwork area. And there's plenty of other places. Like, this place is huge. There's so many spots where they have so much more artwork. And then look at this. Look at all the handmade crafts that they have for people that are selling. It looked like she made all this. Usted hizo todo esto. Muy bonito. I guess this is a good spot to come. I mean, if you're someone who is crafty and makes a lot of designs, this is a good spot to come and sell your stuff to all the tourists. Look at this, guy. This is what I'm talking about. Look at all the art. Amazing. Everywhere you go, there's just like a beautiful painting, and the paintings actually represent everything that happened here, that you know, in the 80s and the 90s, everything that happened, everything that they went through with that war, trying to clear out this area and make Medellin a more safer place. Look at this view, guys. More stalls of arts and crafts, hats, right here too. So I hope you guys are enjoying this walking tour of Medellin. It's actually a really nice day today. If you guys are enjoying this tour, hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Oh guys, look at this. With the beautiful flowers, with the background of the Comuna, and look at the colors back there, guys, of the way they like to make this place look so colorful. I'm gonna get up here so that way you guys can see better. Look at this. Beautiful, the view. Here's another art painting that they did here for this wall, which is really nice. If you ever look up pictures of La Comuna 13 in Medellin, this is one of the ones that comes out, which is really nice. This place is very artistic. It's a very hip, urban style type of place. It's really nice. And I think some of the people live here. Look at this, guys. Here's the restaurant that I was telling y'all about. Las Berracas de las 13. This is their restaurant that we're gonna be trying out. And I'm gonna do a whole video on this so that way you guys can see what you can expect to eat at this restaurant. The original women that are in this restaurant, the ones that created this restaurant, they're from Chocó. It's a black region in Colombia where they're all black and they cook amazing. So they brought their delicious food out here to Medellin, and they have this incredible view that you can enjoy while you're eating. Okay, so this is the entrance of the restaurant. It's so quaint, guys. Like, it's very homemade. There's the lady. Hola, ¿cómo está? Look at this. Oh, so nice, so cute, so quaint. This restaurant, so colorful. That's why it's worth coming up here. And then look at the view, guys. Look at this. You smell how good it smells? Smells amazing. They're originally from El Chocó, Margie. Yeah, so that's why they cook good. Hola. ¿Cómo es su nombre?
Nitsa.
Nisa. Mucho gusto. Here we have some of the other girls cooking. Hola. Hey guys, so as you come into this restaurant, they'll greet you with this little entree right here, this little empanadas for free, so you can try them. So this is the menu for the restaurant here, Las Berracas de la 13. They have a very nice menu with a beautiful picture. And then back here they have more options. These are seafood items on this side, and then this side is more of a traditional paisa, you know, Medellin type of traditional meals. So while you're waiting for your food, they put here this book that tells the story of this area of La Comuna 13. It says right there, La Ciudad de las Mujeres, the women's city, Las Berracas, which is the name of the restaurant, Las Berracas. And it basically just, you know, tells the story of La Comuna 13. So that way you guys can take a look when you are here. You can see, you know, for yourself the story, everything that happened while you wait for your food. You can see how this place has changed so much compared to what it was in the 80s before that war broke out. How they've come along and changed. They turned this into a very touristic, artsy type of area with a lot of beautiful pictures and paintings, colorful paintings. Here are the plantains that it came with. And this is the drink that we ordered. Yeah, those are the appetizers. So this is the meal that came with it, which is the traditional bandeja paisa. And it comes with rice, beans, an egg on top, avocado, arepa, chicharron, chorizo, steak. And I'll let you guys know how it tastes. So we ordered another side of chicharron because it was so good. Look at it. It's nice. I love the presentation, how it comes in this little black bowl with the leaf, with the plantain leaf. It's really nice. So this is the rice and beans that comes with the bandeja paisa, but I highly recommend that when you order the side order of tostones, which is the maduros, not the maduros, the plantains, get it with the sauce. And you use a little bit of that sauce with your rice and beans. It does something. This is called ahogado, by the way. Always order it with your meals. It just does something to the meal. It tastes so good together. It's amazing. Hey guys, so my final thoughts on this restaurant was that the food was actually really good, very flavorful. I really enjoyed it. And come on, doesn't get any better than this with this view. Look at this, guys. It's real nice. I love it. So I highly recommend you come to this restaurant. You enjoy this view. The food was good. It's very homemade, like, as you can see right here. There's the kitchen and the girls are cooking there, making everything homemade. We got a couple of clients here. So I highly recommend that you come to this restaurant, enjoy yourselves, and order the bandeja paisa. The chicharrón was really good. So here you go. So we're almost done with this video for today. I'm glad you guys were able to watch it, and I'm glad you enjoyed it. I hope that you guys are ever able to come out here to Medellin and check out this beautiful, colorful town, Comuna 13. Because it's really worth visiting, guys. Look at it. It's beautiful. The view is incredible. There's no view like this. It's amazing. And you can always exit this way. There's plenty of ways to exit, and you'll reach back to the escalators where they're right there, and you just take it all the way down, and you get a taxi and head on to your hotel or wherever you're going to. Hey guys, what you think about my new hat? Buy a little souvenir out here to help out with the cost. The cool thing about coming here is that you can take the escalators all the way up. See, these are all escalators. So that way you don't have to do some crazy hike. I mean, you can always take the steps. That's gonna take a long time. But it's so nice how they just came up with the idea to put this escalator so everybody to just go up and down without having to do so much of a hike. Here's another artwork that they did here on the walls that I find to be very beautiful. Look at all the artwork, guys, everywhere you go. Hey guys, so they actually have a museum here where they have different paintings that you can buy to take back home. It's really nice how they have this. So if you come here, check out this museum. And you can buy some of the paintings, some of the hats. Look at the floor. Everything is so colorful. So nicely decorated. Hey guys, so having these stairs, these electrical stairs are amazing because it stops you from having to do so much walking, which is cool. Look at this. Take escalators all the way up, which is really cool. This is really smart, so that way people don't have to walk so much, you know, especially with people that have back problems, and they can still come and view how beautiful this town is, this beautiful, colorful town. So as you guys are exiting, you'll see that there'll be a lot more shops, there'll be more artwork on the walls, and you can see the mountains in the back, real nice. More souvenir shops. And you know, the cool thing is that you see a lot of tourists up here, which is cool. I really like that. So you never feel like, you know, you're out of place. You're somewhere where you feel like, oh my God, everybody's watching me. I don't know anybody. There's a lot of tourists up here, which is cool because this is a very touristic area. Come to Medellin to see the most colorful town in Medellin with a bunch of artwork, graffiti all over the walls. And where people like to party. All the walls are graffiti. They're all telling a story of how it used to be dangerous back in the day and how now they live off tourism with their beautiful artwork on the walls, selling souvenirs, restaurants upstairs. I highly recommend coming over here.